you all are doing great. Welcome back to our channel Agla Same Schools. Today we will be covering chapter 5 of class 10th, that is arithmetic progression. So starting with the first exercise, that is 5.1, our first question says, in which of the following situations does the list of numbers involved make an arithmetic progression and why? First part says, a taxi fare after each kilometer when the fare is rupees 15 for the first kilometer and rupees 8 for each additional kilometer. So the answer is fare of 1 kilometer, that is A1, is equals to rupees 15. Fare of 2 kilometer, that is A2, which is equals to 15 plus 8, that is rupees 23. Fare for 3 kilometer, that is A3, which is equals to 23 plus 8, that is 31. Fare for 4 kilometer, that is A4, which is equals to 31 plus 8, that is 39 rupees. So A2 minus A1, that is equals to 23 minus 15, which will give you 8. Further moving, A3 minus A2, that is equals to 31 minus 23, that is 8. A4 minus A3, that is 39 minus 31, which will give you 8. So the difference between the successive term are same. Therefore, it is an arithmetic progression. Second part says the amount of air present in the cylinder when the vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder at the time. So here we have to let the amount of air in the cylinder A1, that is equals to X, and the amount of air left after one removal, that is A2, which is equals to X minus 1/4X, that will give you 3/4X. Now the amount of air left, that is after second removal, which is A3, will give you 9/14X. And the amount of air left after the third removal, that is A4, that is equals to 9/16X minus 1/4 into 9/16X, that will give you 27/64X. Now A square minus A1, that is equals to 3/4X minus X is equals to 1/4X. So again doing that with the same method, we will get A4 minus A3, that is equals to 27/64X minus 9/16X is equals to minus 9/64X. Here the difference between the successive terms are not same. Hence it is not an arithmetic progression. Third part says the cost of digging a well after every meter of digging when it costs rupees 150 for the first meter and rises by rupees 50 each meter subsequent meter. So here the cost of digging 1 meter deep, that is rupees 150, and the cost of digging 2 meter deep, that is A2, which is 200. So the cost of digging 3 meter will be 250 and the cost of digging 4 meter will be 300. Moving further, A2 minus A1, that is 200 minus 150, 50. A3 minus A2, that is 250 minus 200, again 50. A4 minus A3, that is 300 minus 250, again 50. So the difference between the successive term are same. Therefore, it is an AP, that is arithmetic progression. Fourth part says the amount of money in the account every year when rupees 10,000 is deposited at compound interest at 8% per annum. So here a rate is given, that is 8% per annum. Principal, that is A1, again it is given, that is 10,000. So amount after 1 year will be 10,000 into 1 plus 8/100 and power 1. So here we'll get 10800 rupees. So amount after 2 year will be 12597. Moving further, the amount after 3 year will be 15,869. So now A2 minus A1 will give you 800, A3 minus A2 will give you 1797, and A4 minus A3 will give you 3272. So here the difference between the successive terms are not same. Therefore, it is not an arithmetic progression. Question number 2 says, write first 4 terms of the arithmetic progression when a term A and the common difference, that is D, are given as follow. So here part 1 says A is given and D is given, that is 10. So first term, that is A1 is equal to A, that is 10. Second term, that is A2, which is equals to A1 plus D, that is 10 plus 10, 20. Third term, that is A3, which is equals to A2 plus D, that will give you 30. Fourth term, that is A4, that is A3 plus D, which will give you 40. Second part says A as minus 2 and D as 0. So first term that is a minus 2, second term that is a2 which is minus 2, third term that is a3 which is minus 2, fourth term that is a3 which is minus 2. Moving to a third part which says a as 4 and d as minus 3. So again first term that is a1 4, second term that is a2 that is a1 plus d which will give you 1, third term that is a3 which will give you minus 2, fourth term that is a4 which will give you minus 5. Moving to our fourth part which says a is equal to minus 1 and d is equal to 1 by 2. So first term that is minus 1, second term that is a2 will give you minus 1 by 2, third term that is a3 will give you 0, fourth term that is a4 will give you 1 by 2. Moving to our fifth and the last part which says a as 1.25 and d as minus 0.25. So here we know first term that is a1 which is given to us that is minus 1.25. Second term that is a2 we can find as a1 plus d that is equals to minus 1.25 plus in bracket minus 0.25 that will give you minus 1.50. Third term that is a3 by adding a2 plus d will give you minus 1.75. Fourth term that is a4 by adding a3 plus d will give you minus 2. So guys, we will continue the rest of the question in our another video. I hope you like this video. And if you have any query or any doubt related to any of the question discussed, please put your query in the comment section below. For regular updates and information, please subscribe to our channel Agla Same Schools. We wish you a safe life and do take care of yourself.